Guys, in this video I am talk about atomic in physics. Atomic physics is the field of physics that studies atom as an isolated system of electrons and an atomic nucleus. Atomic physics typically refer to the study of atomic structure and the interaction between atoms. It is primarily concerned with the way in which electrons are arranged around the nucleus and the processes by which these arrangements change the comprises ion neutral atom, and unless otherwise stated it can be assumed that the term atom includes ion. The term atomic physics can be associated with nuclear power and nuclear weapons due to symptoms use of atomic nuclear power and nuclear weapons. Nuclear in standard English. Physicists distinguish between atomic physics, which deal with the atom as a system consisting of a nucleus and electrons, and nuclear physics, which studies nuclear reaction and special properties of atomic nuclei. As with many scientific fields, strict delineation can be highly contested, and atomic physics is often considered is the wider context of atomic molecular and optimal physics. Atomic physics primarily considered atoms is isolation. Atomic model will consist of a single nucleus that may be surrounded by one or more bound electrons. It is not concerned with the formation of molecules, nor does it examine atoms in a solid state as condensed matter. It is concerned with processes such as ionization and excitation by photons or collisions with atomic particles. While modeling atoms in isolation may not seem realistic if one considers atoms in gas or plasma, then the time scales for atom-atom interaction and huge in comparison to the atomic processes that are generally considered. This means that the individual atom can be treated as if each were in isolation, as the vast majority of the time they are. By this consideration, atomic physics provides the underlying theories. Plasma physics and atmospheric physics, even though both deals with very large number of atoms, electrons from notional shells around the nucleus. They are normally in a ground state but can be excited by the absorption of energy from light, magnetic field, or interaction with a colliding particles, typically ion or other electrons. Electrons that populate a shell are said to be in a bound state. The energy necessary to remove an electron from its shell is called the binding energy. Any quantity of energy absorbed by the electron in excess of this amount is converted to kinetic energy. According to the conservation of energy, the atom is said to have undergone the process of ionization. If the electron absorbs a quantity of energy less than the binding energy, it will be transferred to an excited state. After a certain time, the electron in the excited state jump to a lower state in a neutral atom. The system will emit a photons of the difference in energy, since energy is conserved. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye guys.